If you have an existing FuzeDrive set up in your computer and you want to move it to new storage devices, there are a couple ways of doing that. If you want to upgrade your fast tier drive while keeping the same slow tier drive, say you want a faster SSD or a larger capacity SSD, whatever the case may be, we recommend using the unfuse method. This video tutorial will walk you through the entire process so that you can upgrade your fast tier in no time. When you open the FuzeDrive software, you'll see an option to configure existing FuzeDrive. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Click it and select Move Data to Slow Tier. Make sure you have your FuzeDrive selected in the above list. Then press Modify at the bottom. This process may take a long time, depending on the size of your devices and the amount of data to be moved. When the process is done, repeat the same step, but instead of Move Data, choose Unfuse. This will begin the unfusing process, which may also take a long time. You can continue to use your computer normally during both of these steps. Once that process is complete, simply restart your computer and you're done. You are now free to remove your fast tier storage device, and if you want to replace it with a new one, you can do so and then reconfigure your initial FuzeDrive just like you did before. For more information, frequently asked questions, or further support, please visit our website at inmodus.com/FuzeDrive. Thanks for watching.